Alright, here we are. Here's my insulation I put on the back of the door here. I used little pieces of leather and little tacks to secure it. The last thing I wanted was this whole thing falling down. Over the top of my slowly improving engine bay, I'll lift this off and show you my discoveries with the vacuum leak. Number one was that one here was not connected. So I found a piece of hose and connected that up, so that's good. This one here is running to the back of the cruise control, which isn't working, so I'm going to have to fix that at some point. And I actually had a spare because of the extra one that's running off the back here to the cruise control. So I blocked this one off. First one here is running one to the carburetor here. Gonna have to get a slightly longer hose. And the other one, top one here, running through to the vacuum advance for the distributor. And that's it so far. It's looking good, coming together slowly.